I think we're looking at tornado genesis here. Well, you know you're doing something right whenever the mobile mesonet shows up in your spot. Taking some big breaths.
Really close to those, right? I mean, that's awesome. Yeah. And we don't have to walk across that. We're gonna have to hold it and walk right up to the fence and then let it go. If we hang the power lines and drive it away really fast. That's fair. We were never here. Nobody saw nothing.
So these guys are going to get ready to launch a weather balloon. You're getting ready to see one.
See all that stuff on the top of the truck? It's kind of like that, but a little tiny package, and they put it in a balloon and they send it up into the storm.
They don't.
Well, eventually it falls down, and they've got addresses on them. You can send them back.
People actually go hunting for them. No, they measure the measurements in the storm.
Look at that.
It's due north of us now. That's it.
Yeah. That's it right there. And we're breathing pretty good.
You can literally see the shadow. Farms go underneath us.
Yeah, we're looking at tornado genesis right now. Here we are.
I don't know about you, but I don't intend to try to follow.
That one?
Yeah. There's not really much of an east option. To get to it, we probably have to go down and down. And I'm not much for afternoon chasing. I don't mind sitting here with the road, but I know that I would be out there.
Yeah, it's getting kind of late in the day too.
Yeah. I mean, there's still tornado potential for sure, but...
If I didn't have to work tomorrow, that'd be a different story. that's the beauty of having her. She's the best camerawoman I've ever had.
There's a lowering. See it back there?
Yeah.
Got the song coming?
There went.
I want to chase it.
It's headed right for Apache.
We were just there too.
Yep. Just watch for the blue flashing. Blue or green. Might be a finger right there.
It's so hard to see this crap at night.
Yep.